Welcome, in this video I will show you how to get help on Windows 10. In order to get help on a specific issue, you're gonna have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then open any system menu, any settings menu. For example, let's go to System, then in System find the Get Help icon on the right side of your window, click Get Help, and in the following window you're gonna have to describe your problem in the very simple way. For example, let's say can't connect to the internet, and let's search for the solution. And as you can see, for this problem Windows suggests that we have to run Network Diagnostics, and to do that we can click this link right here. So once I click this link right here, I'm gonna be transferred to the troubleshooting page in which I can run the Troubleshooter and generally solve this problem myself. So that's how you get help on Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.